Upon closer inspection, it was discovered that the alleged bear attacking the Rolls Royce was in fact a human in a bear costume. Just to be sure, investigators called in biologists from the California Fish and Wildlife to review the footage, just to make damn sure that a bear rocked this Rolls, to which I'm sure the biologist turned a massive supercharged side eye to the law enforcement, assuring them with enough sarcasm to fill a gravy boat that no, this was not a real bear. Because in the video, you can see the bear opening the fucking door of the car.